देशभरात शुक्रारा मध्यरात्री सावन जीएसटी लागू जाला। देशाची अर्थव्यवस्था सुधारपाक एक देश एक कर संकल्पनेन जीएसटी भारत सरकारान लागू केल्या। जीएसटी ही संकल्पना चालीक लावची म्हण फाटली 21 वर्सां मागणी चालू आशिल्ली। ही संकल्पना देशांत मध्यरात्रीक 12 वास्तवांत आयली। मध्यरात्री 12 वरांचेर राष्ट्रपती प्रणव मुखर्जीन संसदेच्या मध्यस्थ सभाघरांत घाटनाद करून ऐतिहासीक वस्तू सेवा कर युगाचो शुभारंभ केलो। देशांतल्या इतिहासांतले सगळ्यांत व्हड आनी सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाचो आर्थीक कर प्रगतीचो हो मार्ग आसा। ह्या प्रणालीचो आरंभ करपाक संसदेचे खासा अधिवेशन आयोजीत केल्ले। ह्या अधिवेशनाक संसदेचे सगळे खासदार आनी आमंत्रित मान्यवर हजर आशिल्ले।
Confident that GST was a matter of time and it would eventually be implemented. My confidence stood justified when on the 8th September of 2016, after the bill was passed by both the houses of parliament and more than 50% of state legislatures, I had the privilege of giving assent to the Constitution 101st Amendment Act. However positive it may be, there are bound to be some teething troubles and difficulties in the initial stage. We will have to solve these with understanding and speed to ensure that it does not impact the growth momentum of the economy. Success of such major change always depends on their effective implementation in the months to come. Based on the experience of actual implementation, the GST Council and the central and state government should continuously review the design and make improvements in the same constructive spirit as it has been displayed till now. In conclusion, I would like to express my deep appreciation for all those who made tremendous efforts to make this path-breaking legislation. Thank you.
RDX Goa Bureau Report.